Hey everybody, Chuck from RaptorAddiction. Today we're just going to simply put on tag light LEDs, make our license plate look a little bit better. So before we actually do the install, let's take a look at what they look like stock, and they are not very bright. That's your grandfather's style of tag lights. We're going to see if we can change that up a bit. Okay, so it's really simple. All you got to do is pop this little guy out. There's just these two little pieces, these tabs. It's no big deal. You might use a rag or something protect the bumper there, but anyway, just pops right out. Okay, now I'm just gonna pull out the stock lamp and replace it with the new LED. So you can see it just slides straight out, and then we'll put the new one straight back in. Okay, as you can see, got our bright whites, and just adds a nice little touch to the back end of the truck. So highly recommended. And just so you know, we got these from F150LEDs.com. They were able to get them to us quickly and painlessly, and we really appreciate it. So we're gonna run them, and we'll try and show you a night shot a little bit later. Thanks. Hey, let us know if this is helpful, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel.